wait is over. Apple just dropped the all-new MacBook Air and it's packing serious heat. We're talking a next-generation M3 chip for blazing fast performance. Stunning liquid retina displays in 13-inch and even 15-inch options, and epic battery life to keep you powered all day. Is this the ultimate MacBook Air yet? Let's dive in and find out. Unveiling the M3 chip. The new MacBook Air boasts the powerful M3 chip, the next generation of Apple's in-house silicon. This powerhouse delivers up to 60% faster CPU performance, and twice the graphics performance compared to the previous M1 chip. That means smoother multitasking, blazing fast video editing, and effortless handling of demanding creative workloads. Performance in action. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just someone who needs a reliable machine for everyday tasks, the new MacBook Air is up to the challenge. I'm putting it through its paces right now, and let me tell you, it's incredibly responsive. Editing these video clips feels like a breeze. But performance isn't the only thing that got a boost. The new MacBook Air also features a stunning liquid retina display, available in both 13-inch and 15-inch sizes. The visuals are incredibly sharp and vibrant, perfect for watching movies, browsing photos, or working on design projects. And guess what? You can now connect up to 2 external displays to your MacBook Air, creating a versatile workstation setup. That's perfect for multitasking, presentations, or simply expanding your workspace. But it doesn't stop there. The new MacBook Air also comes with a longer battery life, lasting up to 17 hours of wireless web browsing and up to 20 hours of video playback. That means you can work, play, and create for hours on end without having to worry about finding an outlet. And let's not forget about the sleek and stylish design. The new MacBook Air comes in 4 gorgeous colors: space gray, silver, midnight blue, and starlight. It's incredibly thin and light, making it perfect for portability. So, whether you're a longtime Apple fan or looking for a powerful and versatile laptop, the new MacBook Air with the M3 chip is definitely worth considering. It's packed with performance, features, and a stunning design, making it a great choice for work, play, and everything in between. We'll have a more in-depth review coming up soon, where we'll dive deeper into the M3 chip's performance, battery life, and all the other exciting features. So stay tuned. Like this video, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the new MacBook Air. Check out the link in the description for more information and pricing.